Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we shall discuss some questions which are based on conversion of decimal number or the concept of decimal applied on rational number. I hope you are all understood the last session that I discussed with you. So student, you have to still remember about the concepts of three types of decimal as I explained in the last session, because the questions that we are going to solve in this session are entirely based on the concepts that we have discussed in the previous session. Okay, so let's start to solve some question with the help of that concept. So student, the first question is a very simple question in which we have to just convert the rational number into decimal number. So our first question is express the following rational number into decimal. Okay, don't think that this question is too easy that you can solve. Yes, you can solve such type of question easily, but I want to start it from zero and want to go at the advanced level. That is why I start from zero. So listen carefully. What does the question say? The first is 1 upon 8. We have to convert this into decimal. We have two ideas to convert a rational number into decimal number. Okay, and they are, the first is multiplication method, multiplication method, and the second is division. There are two methods to convert this rational number into decimal. So I want to solve it with the help of multiplication method. So in order to solve this by multiplication method, we have to convert the denominator in the form of 10 or multiple of 10. Okay, so student, if I multiply, how we have to, what number we have to multiply? If we multiply this number by 125, okay, I think it may be very large, but just try to understand. I will also show you this with the help of division method. If we multiply and divide by 125, then denominator become 1000. So in this case, here we get 125 upon, when we multiply 125 by 8, 8 5 are 40, carry 4, 8 2 are 16, 16 plus 4 20, carry 2, 8 1 are 8, 8 plus 2 1000. So it become 1000. Okay, and now there are 3 zeros, that is why it may be 0.125. So in this way we can convert a rational number in the form of decimal number. Okay student, so this is the multiplication method. We can also solve this with the help of division method. So let us see what is the division method. In the division method, we directly divide 1 by 8. As we can see here, the division is not possible because the dividend is less than divisor. So in order to divide 1 by 8, we have to make the dividend greater than divisor. So for this, we have to put decimal in the quotient and we put 0 in the dividend. Now the dividend is greater than divisor and now division is possible. So here 8 1 are 8 and here we get 2 as a remainder. Here we can easily increase a 0 without putting extra decimal point in the quotient, because the rule of decimal says that you can put only one decimal. Okay, so here it become 20 and 8 2s are 16 and here we get 4 as a remainder. Okay, and now we can write 0 here and 8 5s are 40 and hence the division has been completed and our answer is 0.125. Okay student, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, now let us see the next question. The second is 8 upon 25. 8 upon 25. Okay, in order to solve such question, we have to multiply the denominator with a number which can convert this numerator in the form of 10 or multiple of 10. So that if we multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, we get 8 4s are 32 and upon 100. And hence there are 2 zeros, which means that decimal will be on the right side after 2 digits, and hence here we get 0.32 as result. Okay, if you want to see this by the division method, then you can easily solve it. Just divide 8 by 25. Since the dividend is less than divisor, hence the division is not possible. In order to make it possible, we have to convert the dividend is greater than divisor. For this, we have to put decimal as quotient. And here we replace a 0. And now in the next 25 3s are 75. And here we get 5 as remainder, and in the next put here 0 and 25 is a 15, and accordingly it becomes 0, and hence our result is 0.32. Okay student, is that clear? So this is the conversion of decimal in conversion of rational number in decimal number. Okay, now let us see the next. Express the following decimal as repeating decimal. This is the given question. Sorry, express the following repeating decimal in the short form. Repeating decimal as short form. Repeating okay as short form. Now let us see the first is 2.3333 and dot. This dotted line represent 3 is continuously repeating infinite time, but we have to write it in the short form. In the short form, we write only one digit after the decimal, and we put a new notation which is called bar on that digit, and it is represented like this. So, in order to write it into short form, we write 2.3 like this. 2.3 bar. This is the required short form of the given repeating decimal number. I hope it is clear. Now let us see the next. The next is 1.456 and dot. Here we can see that the digits are repeating after a fixed period, so that in order to write it into the short form, we write the repeating digit only once and put the vinculum bar on it. So it may be written as 1.456 and here we put bar on it. When only one number repeating, then we write only one digit. But if a number of digits repeating periodically, then we write all these digits at once with the vinculum bar, which give us the required result. So student, I hope it is clear to everyone. We shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.